everyone, and welcome back of day 2, learning how to sign Blessed Be Your Name by Matt Redman. Yesterday we learned the chorus and the bridge. Today we will be learning how to sign both the verses. So the great thing about before I get started, remember that I am left-handed. That means if you're right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. If you look below the video in the description, there is a link to print off the lyrics. And last but not least, please consider subscribing to the channel. Okay, let's get started. So the great thing about the verses is they are quite similar, and I've done some simplifications that I think you're really going to like. So it starts with bless your name, okay, in the land that is plentiful. Now that's a really figurative way of saying when, you know what, I'm doing well, when I'm rich. So we're going to do when. So you take your index finger, go around your non-dominant and then tap it. I have, so hands bent, I have, and then riches. Your non-dominant hand is here. You got your fist on top, and then you kind of come up. I got a lot, okay? I got a whole bunch of stuff, okay? And then where your abundance. So over here, it's like it's overflowing. Where your abundance and then flows, showing that where your abundance flows, and then bless your name. And then bless your name when I'm found in the desert place, when I am thirsty. Okay? Thirsty. So your index finger is going down your throat. You want to look on your face like, oh, I'm not comfortable. I am thirsty. Okay? When I'm thirsty, and then though I walk through the wilderness, and then we're going to say when I'm lost and searching. Okay, lost is actually like this, when you lose something. We're going to say when I'm searching. Okay, when I'm confused, when I don't know what's going on. Bless your name. Okay, so from the top, bless your name in the land. So when I have plenty, when I have riches, on the land that is plentiful, where your streams of abundance flow, when your abundance flows, bless your name. Blessed be your name when I'm found in the desert place, when I'm thirsty, when I'm searching, when I'm lost in the wilderness. Blessed be your name. Okay, one more time. It is a little tricky when you're hearing one thing and you're signing something else. Okay, so blessed be your name in the land that is plentiful, where your streams of abundance flow. Oh, I forgot your, right? It's your abundance flow. Blessed be your name. Blessed be your name when I'm found in the desert place, when I'm lost in the wilderness. Blessed be your name. Okay, and then moving on to the other verse. So I'd go to the chorus there, and then the other verse. Blessed be your name when the sun, okay? So here you're holding like a light and you're almost showing the sun, okay? The sun. When the sun, and then I'm going to say just have it come down on me. And then you're like happy, right? When the sun's coming down on me, when the world is happy, when the world's all as it should be, bless your name. And then that other side, bless your name on the road marked with suffering, when I suffer, okay? And then when there's pain in the offering, okay? So here it's almost like you're wringing out something at your heart. Okay? When I'm heartbroken, and there's pain in the offering, blessed be your name. Okay, let's try verse 2 again from the top. Blessed be your name when the sun's shining down on me, when the world's all as it should be. Bless your name. And then blessed be your name on the road marked with suffering, when I suffer. Though there's pain in the offering, when I'm heartbroken, bless your name. Okay, and that's everything you need to learn the 2 verses. So practice this as many times as you need to, and when you're ready, I'll see you in the next video when we walk through this song from top to bottom. Bye! Therefore, go and make disciples to all the nations, baptizing them in the name of the Father, Son, and of the Holy Spirit, and teaching them to obey everything I commanded you. And surely I am with you always, to the very end of the age.